What's up guys, it's your girl BeautyIsBre and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my simple side part ponytail. First thing that I do is I clip a towel around me so that way I can catch the excess water from my dripping hair. After that, I take my Conair Diamond brush and brush out all the tangles on both sides of my hair.
Tomorrow, it may never come around. Right now, if you're gonna be around, make me love you.
Now I'm about to take the Curls Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner and put about a dime amount in my hair.
But if it ain't your mama, you turn that thing off right now. I got so much love for you. You've been gone for days, trying to figure out.
Now I take a couple drops of coconut oil, and it's the pure coconut oil.
Go for days, trying to figure out.
I make sure that I get my ends really well.
Just work this out. You know how I feel.
Now I take my rat tail comb and part my hair on the side.
Can we just work this out? I hate this feeling, you hate this feeling. You know, or I'm gonna find somebody to love. I'm gonna find somebody to love me.
Now I'm taking my hard brusher brush and brushing my hair into a ponytail. I brush my hair into a ponytail without any product or anything in my hair because I want to make sure I have the layout first.
I'm gonna find somebody to love me. I'm gonna find somebody to love. It's me and you, baby. It's just me and you. How's it gonna be? I've been down for years. Let's make it eternity.
Place my hair into a ponytail and I begin to lay my product around the perimeter of my part and my edges and everything.
Listen, baby, I'm here right now.
I know it's hard not to listen to your friends right now.
If it's just cloudy, acting high and mighty, boy, you better come down, 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 down. And get on your knees. Boy, who you claiming? I've got something to say.
Now I take my hair out of the scrunchie and I begin to brush the flyaways and everything into the ponytail.
What you need, baby. Get up with me, boy, what you say? Always something to say. Better stop playing, I got it.
Now I'm going to take my edge brush and giving myself a nice swoop, making sure that all the hair is distributed evenly so that way it doesn't look like I have spaces in between my hair. I don't like that. But at the last minute, I decided I wanted to make my part a little bit more further back, so that's what I'm doing here.
I hate this feeling, and you hate this feeling. You know. Why can't we?
Now, once again, I'm brushing my hair into place of a ponytail.
Oh, I hate this feeling. Somebody to love me. You and me, it was me and you, baby. Just me and you. How's it gonna be? Now we're here.
Once I finally get my hair into a ponytail, I take a soft bristle brush and brush all the flyaways into the ponytail. Once again, I'm taking the edge control brush and the Eco Styler gel and going ahead and do my edges, you know, giving it a nice swoop, doo-doo look, you know.
Smiles are going out of my head. I'm still a fairy tale. Can you hold my hand to be my guide? Clouds filled with stars cover your sky, and I hope
taking a little bit of edge control and putting that in the palm of my hands and rubbing it together and laying that on top of my ponytail. Once again, making sure I get all the flyaways because I have a lot of flyaways. Once again, I'm taking my Cotton Air dimming brush and I'm brushing out my ponytail, making sure there's no naps or any tangles. Taking my curls leave-in conditioner and putting that into my ponytail to make sure it's nice and moisturized. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!